Hello guys, so we have a meal prep today. So we call this meal prep. This is a high quality, high protein meal prep. So it has a basmati rice and carrot and broccoli and chicken pieces from chicken breast. So we have very healthy food. It's a very healthy meal. So we can take it after workouts, after your daily workouts and daily your routine. So you can take it as a post workout meal. So it's a very good meal. It has carbs and protein. Yeah. So if we talk about this thing, broccoli, so it has a lot of fiber and protein and vitamins and mineral with iron. So it's a very good thing to, if you can take it, so it's a very good thing. So after workout, it's good to recover your muscles, so recover your health. It's a very good. So do you know one thing? So broccoli helps to boost your testosterone level. So it automatically increase your testosterone level, hormone level. It's very good to increase your testosterone level. So it's a very good thing. Okay, let's try the meal. We have basmati. Yeah, we have basmati rice and carrot and broccoli and chicken breast. Let's try the broccoli. You can see broccoli, it's green. Green food always healthy. And we have fresh carrot. You can see it's half boiled, but it's okay. You can eat it. And we have chicken breast pieces. You can see no oil, no other artificial stuff, no sauce, no barbecue sauce, no ketchup, no tomato sauce, nothing. It's just only chicken breast with salt and pepper. It has a decent taste, which means healthy taste. You know, this is a very good combo: basmati, carrot, broccoli and chicken breast. It's a very good combo, and it's a very high, it has high protein, so it's high protein meal prep. So if you don't have any idea about meal prep, so you guys can ask from us, so we can give you tips. So how to make, so you can see the video how do we make the meal, so you can watch the trailer. You can see broccoli. So no artificial stuff. It has a decent taste. So you can see the chicken breast very clearly. You can see, so no oil. There is no oil, and it's dry. Super. This is next level healthy way. So with your busy life, with your job, so if you don't have any time you can make this meal, you know, you can prepare this meal, you can freeze it, and you can eat this later. So that's why we call this meal prep, and it's super healthy. Even if you want to maintain your body weight, even if you want to maintain your muscles, your fitness level, so it helps to do everything, you know. It's the best. So we ate a lot of different things, but we didn't have a proper balanced post workout meal. So we can say this proper balanced post workout meal and high protein meal. So normally average people can eat lot of things, you know, burger and pizza, like worst food, you know. It's fast food, but you know, it tastes good, but it's okay once in a while. It's not a best food to have every day. So once in a while it's okay to have, but this you can have it every day. So you can have it for the lunch, for the supper, for the breakfast. Yeah, it's easy to make and it has a lot of benefits. You feel any fatigue feelings, like you don't feel good, especially you should eat this. So it brings you, like, it helps to boost your energy level. It's a very good thing. So normally we don't know what to eat and what not to eat, because we have no knowledge of food, nutrients and nutrition. That's why we always say have a balanced meal. Yeah, it's super. If you want add more things, you know, you can add almonds and cashew nuts and more vegetables. It's your choice. You can decide what you want to add. So it's your choice. So basically I always decide these things. I always choose these things. It has everything, you know, it's a balanced meal. Especially with our life, it's very busy, you know, with our job. So we have a lot of things to do in our life. So we can't cook every day, so we can't spend the time in the kitchen every day. So it's very difficult, you know. So if you can make it one way, so you can freeze it and you can eat it later. That's one of benefit of this. That's one of benefit of meal prep. So normally when we eat rice, we don't know how much to eat. So we can calculate like 100 grams, 150 grams, 200 grams, which means like if you want to take 200 grams, then you can calculate. But this is basmati rice, even you can calculate this and how much carbs you should have for a day and how much you should have for a week. So you can calculate and you can cook it. It doesn't have any fantasy taste, you know. It has a decent, very decent taste. You can feel that bloat feeling. Once you eat this, you feel like not bloat feelings, but you feel like more filling your body, more food in your body. So it's a good thing. Even at the office, even at home, even when you travel, so wherever you go, so you can take this with a box, you can put in this box and then you can take it to anywhere. So you can eat this, because when we travel, when you go out, so when we go to job, so we can't eat healthy food, you know. So it's very difficult to find healthy food, it's very difficult to eat healthy food. So if you can make this, and you can take this to anywhere, it's a simple thing. Okay, all done. So I had my high protein meal prep, so it's a very good thing. So if I'm talking about the benefits of this meal, so it's a very good thing, and it saves your time, saves your energy. So it's a very good thing if you can make this easy way, healthy way, then it's a very good thing. So you can make this and you can eat it anytime, eat it later, anytime, when you travel, when you go to office, when you're at home, even when you are out. So you can take this and you can eat it, because it's very healthy. You know, you can't find healthy food everywhere. It's a very basic thing. So you can freeze this and eat anytime, you know. It's a very good tip for you. So I'm done with the meal today. I had a very good meal. It has a decent taste, not the fantasy taste, you know. It was very good. It was in my way, it's delicious, you know. It's superb. Okay, it gives you strength, it gives you energy, it gives you good feelings. Okay, yeah, all done. So do you have any suggestions? So you can comment on the videos. So share your ideas with us, so you can share all things with us and share your ideas, everything about meal prep, about next meal, about everything, you know. Yeah, okay, so done for the day. If you like our videos, so you can share, like and comment our videos and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys.